students. Today I am going to discuss very important topic about NEET 2021. Okay, so today's topic was like whether exam was conducted in offline mode. Okay, whether exam was conducted in offline mode or online mode. Okay, so offline mode means which the exam which we have previously written 2019, 2018, 2020, like they will be giving you some papers, question paper, and you have to uh, okay solve it and fill it in OMR sheets. But online mode means okay different questions will be coming. First they will allot one system to you. Okay, there they will install different questions, and you simply open that system and you should simply answer the questions, right? Okay, so that is online mode. Now present government was discussing whether 2021 exam has to be conducted offline mode or online mode. That discussion was going on presently with a number of teachers and students. Okay, union education minister was making discussion with different teachers and students about this now latest. Okay, see, anyhow, I think whether online or offline, that doesn't matter. But see, if you see this online mode, more time saving. See, you need not go each and every question like that. Simply if you click the button which question you want, you can directly see there. So more time saving is there with the online mode. Okay, and see, easy way to conduct the exam, like teacher need not come and distribute the question papers to the students. Okay, so much time waste will be there. You need not uh, okay fill all those details and things like that. Okay, so easy way to conduct, and it is also faster way to conduct the exam. Okay, and if you see COVID time now, right, so I think uh, number of contacts will be less, and this is more beneficent for present situation also. And you will not have any OMR sheet, directly will take answers in the system itself. So, and suppose you have not bubbled that circle properly, and you may that question might go wrong even if you know the answer. So those problems will not be there, and you can complete very faster with this. Okay, so these are few benefits of online. And problems like so if you don't know how to operate this system, then